turn the power on. Check the little LED light. And then you can tell what's going on. Usually it's a 90-second pre-purge. Inducer motor's turning on. Once the inducer motor turns on, the pressure switch gets approved. And then the igniter, which is this guy back here, right back there, should be glowing red. So the gas open, the flame sensor didn't sense anything, which is right here because there's no flame. So I'm going to turn the power off. You can put in ohms or continuity. You can usually check both. There's a table that tells you what the resistance should be. But right now, touch those. Open limit. Another way to make sure that it is the igniter, so that you put your probes in here, and then once the inducer motor goes on, and then once before the gas valve clicks open, you should be getting 124 volts. So now we'll change the igniter. Oh, look at that. You could tell it wasn't good because it just fell apart. Usually there'd be cracks on them. They don't fall apart like that. There's a bumblebee in there. So we'll get our new You don't want to touch the ends. You don't want to touch any of this with your finger because the oil from your fingers will overheat the spot, and then the element will not last that long at all. Then to plug it in, you can see it's like shaped like a little house, and there's only one way to plug that in. Oops. Just a little tough. So turn the power back on. And then these furnaces, you'll see all the LED light codes. So it'll tell you at the top short flashes, and then a long flash. And then when you turn on when it turns on, It'll run for 90 seconds and then it will start itself up. And there's the LED light. If you don't see this light, then I would make sure the power is on. If you have the power on, then I would check a fuse on the control board and then start from there. So this is just to get the igniter changed. And if you're ordering it, if you're going to get parts, you want to get your product number, well, not the product number, but the model, and then your serial number, and then sometimes they'll ask you what kind of series. So the inducer motor's going. It's going to pull negative pressure and pull this pressure switch close. And if you tested it, you would have 24 volts here. Obviously you can ground it. Okay, so igniter, it's lighting up. And now if the flames went out, then I would check the flame sensor, which is right in that little probe there. If it went on and then off in 3 seconds, 3 to 5 seconds, then I would clean that lightly with a emery cloth or maybe a white eraser or a Scotch-Brite, just lightly, and then put it back in, and then I would order the part. To order parts, they'll want the serial model number and the make of the furnace. Hopefully this is helpful. Thank you. Bye.